Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Excel macros and how to use that macros with images. So if you want to impress your boss with amazing dashboard using images and macros, so watch this video till the end. I will be giving the step-by-step guide that how you can create macros and how you can use macros with images. So without delay, let's start the video. Let me show you the outcome of this video first. So here we have the report that we are going to create in this video. So this is fast food sales report. Here we have 3 images. As you will click on the image, you will be getting the total sales as well as you will be getting the category name. And here on the right hand side, you will be having top 10 items by the price for the same category. Let me show you how this is working. So if I'm clicking on pizza, so we have total sales of pizza and we have category name and here the top 10 items. If we click on burger, so we have total sales for burger, category name and the top 10 item. Again, if you click on beverages, so you will be having all these details for beverages. So how we can create this? So let me show you the data first and what kind of data preparation we need to do to create this kind of dashboard. So here we have the data. I have a table. In that we have 3 columns: category, item and price. And in this I have total 3,452 rows. And if I talk about the data preparation, so here we have the data preparation. I have calculated the total sales. This is the top 10 item as per the category. Same for pizza. And same here for beverages. So let's build it from scratch. I have a new sheet here. In this, I have copied all the data and the data preparation format. So this will save our time. And I have given this Excel sheet in the description box. So you can download this file and you can practice. So here in the third sheet in dashboard, we are going to design the dashboard first. And then accordingly, we will calculate everything. So first, I will enter a shape. You can choose any shape, okay, as per your requirement. Like if you want to design any other way, you can do that. So I'm designing the similar that I have shown you in the beginning. So first I will take a rectangle. I will draw a rectangle here and here I will write fast food sales report. You can format it as per your requirement. I will make it bold and I will increase the font size. Okay, so this is fine. Now I'm going to insert the images. So I will go into insert tab. So to insert the image, click on pictures, select the second option, place over the sales and insert picture from this device. So here I have all the pictures. So I will be inserting all these 3 and click on insert. So I will format this. Let me arrange. So after arranging the image, here I need total sales. So I will merge this. I will put thick outside border. Same, I will copy the format. And here I need category name. I will merge this both the cell. And here I have to show top 10 items by price. Here I will give item and here price. You can format it as per your choice. So I'm giving here this color and text is white. I'll make it bold. Also, I'll make it bold. Here I will give let me give it green. I'll give some dark green. I think this is fine. And font color white. Here I need 10 items. So I'll be highlighting the 10 rows. I'll give all the borders. Here I will fill the same color. And the text would be also same white. Few things we will customize later on. Now we are going to do the data preparation. So here we have the data, and if you're working on Excel, so there is a best practices. Like if you have any tabular data and you are going to apply some formula on that, so first convert that tabular data into a table. So to convert data into a table, select all the record. But if you have very huge data, in that case, this is difficult to select by dragging. So what you can do, you can simply click anywhere in the range, press Ctrl A to select all the data and then press Ctrl T. So you will be having this dialog box, create table, and simply click on OK. Now this data has been converted into a table. So once you will convert data into a table, you will be having one additional menu. So you can click anywhere in the table and here you can see you have additional menu, that is table design. So click on table design. Here you can see the table name is table 3. You can rename it. So I'll be giving a name here, that is sales. So now I don't need to select the range. I can directly pass table name, and if I need the column name, so I can directly pass the column. Okay. Now we will go into data preparation tab. So here we will do certain calculation. So first I will be calculating total sales for burger category. So to calculate the total sales, I will be using sum ifs function. So here I will write the formula is equal to sum ifs sum range. Now here we have to give the range that I want to do the sum. Okay. So I'm not going to data tab and select the price column. I will directly pass here. So the table name is sales and the column is price. Now criteria 1. So here I have to do the sum on the basis of category. Here I will pass table name and the column is category, comma, criteria. So here I am going to check the criteria if it is burger. So I will pass this cell reference. Okay. Close the bracket and hit the enter. Here we have the total sum for burger category. Similarly, we are going to calculate for pizza and beverages. So you can do it by writing the formula from scratch, or you can simply copy this formula and I will paste here. Only I have to change the criteria reference. So here I will pass this one and hit the enter, and same I will paste here the formula, and here I will pass beverages reference and hit the enter. So we have calculated the total sales as per the category. Okay. Now here we have to find out top 10 items as per the price. So here we will be using multiple formula to get it. So I will be explaining step by step. So first formula that I am going to use, filter function is equal to filter array. So I am passing the complete table here, sales table, comma, include. So here I will give the criteria on which basis we are going to filter the data. So I will pass sales table category is equal to burger. So I have given the cell reference here. If we close the bracket and hit the enter, so you can see we got all the records of burger, their item and their price. Okay. Now here we are going to sort the data on the basis of price in descending order. So to sort this data, let me show you how we can do this. So here I will be using sortby function. Now in the sortby, you can see the first argument, it is array. So we are passing the array that is returned by this filter function. Okay. The second parameter is by array 1. So here we are going to sort this array with another array. So here we have to sort by price. So we will again use filter function. Here array we have to pass sales and the column would be price, because we are going to sort this data as per the price, comma, in include section we will pass sales table category column, and category should be is equal to the criteria burger. Close the bracket. Now we are going to arrange this in descending order. So we will pass -1. Close the bracket and hit the enter. So you can see the complete list has been sorted in descending order. So the highest price is in the top. Okay. Now we don't need this category column. So for that we will be using another function, that is choose column. So here we will use choosecols. So we will pass this complete array, comma, column number. So we need column number 2 and column number 3. Close the bracket and hit the enter. Now we have only 2 columns, items and price, but we need only 10 rows. So to get the top 10 rows, we will use here another function, that is take. So this would be the complete array. Now here we will put a comma, row. So I need 10 rows from the top. Close the bracket and hit the enter. So now we have top 10 items by their price for burger category. Same thing I will do for pizza and beverages. You can do it by writing the formula once again, or simply you can copy this formula, you can paste here, and only we have to change the filter reference. So here I will pass pizza, here also I will pass pizza and hit the enter. For beverages, here we will pass beverages reference, and here also we will pass beverages reference and hit the enter. Now we have all the data ready. So we are going to create the macros for that. Now go into dashboard tab. Here we will do certain formatting and then we are going to create the macros. So in all these, I will select all this by pressing Ctrl and then press Ctrl 1. So you will be having format cells dialog box. Go into custom So I need this one, and here in beginning I will add INR in double quotes, and I need number up to 2 decimals, and then click OK. Now I will start recording the macros, and then we will assign the macro to respective images. So simply go into View tab. Here you will get the option of macros, or you can go into Developer tab, and here also you will get a Record Macro option. Okay, so I'll be using from View tab. So click here on Macros and click Record Macros. Here you can give the name Pizza and click OK. Now to get the total sales, I will use the reference. So I will write is equal to, and I will give the reference of this total sales. To get the category name, I will write here is equal to upper, and I will pass the reference of category name. Close the bracket, hit the enter. Same here, I will press is equal to, I will pass the reference from here, and here we need to add hash sign because this is the dynamic array. So to get the complete list, we have to add hash sign. Now hit the enter. So we have all the details here. Now click here, I will increase the font size, and for the category name also I will increase the font size. Now go into View tab, go into Macros, and here click on Stop Recording. So one macro has been created. You can see here in View Macros, you have one macro, that is Pizza. Now I'm going to create second macro. Again we will click on Record Macro. I will give the name Burger, click OK. So I will delete all this. Here again I will write is equal to, and I will pass this reference from here, hit enter. For name, I will pass is equal to upper, I will pass this category name. Here again we will write is equal to, and we will pass this list, and here we will add hash sign. So don't forget to add hash sign. Okay, so we have this list. I will select this INR. So once you will click on that, so by default this will be selected. Go to macros and stop recording. Now I will create third macro. So again we will click on Record Macro. Here I will give the name Beverages. Click OK. Again delete this. Here I will write is equal to, we will pass the reference for this total sales and hit the enter. For name, we will write is equal to upper, and we will pass the category name. Close the bracket, hit the enter. Here also we will pass is equal to, and we will give this list, and we will add hash sign. Hit the enter. Now we will select this total sales. Go into macros, click on Stop Recording. Now, so we have all the three macros. So before assigning the macros in all the images, I will do some formatting. Yep. Okay, this looks fine. I will insert few more shapes. Again, I will take rectangle. I will draw from here. I need one more rectangle. So select this rectangle, press Ctrl D to duplicate this. You can add it here. This looks fine. Now select both the rectangle, right click, go into Format Object. Here we will make it transparent by 95%. Also, we will go into Size and Properties. We will lock the aspect ratio, and here in Properties we will select third option, don't move or size with cell. Same thing I am going to do for images. So I am going to select all the image. So this is already selected. Here only in the property we have to select don't move or size with cell. Same we will do for this shape. Lock the aspect ratio and select this option. Now I'm going to assign the macros. So to assign the macros, select the image, right click. Here you will get option assign macro. Click here. You will be having this dialog box. So first we will select pizza. Click OK. Select second image, right click, assign macro. Select burger. Click OK. Select third image, right click, assign macro. Select beverages, click OK. Now after assigning the macros, you can see once we will move the mouse here in the image, you will be having this hand sign. That means you can click here now. So once I will click on pizza, you can see total sales of pizza is here, category name is here, and the top 10 items by price is here. If I will select on burger, so I have total sales of burger, category name, and the top 10 item. And if I select beverages, so I have total sales of beverages, category name, and top 10 items. Now let's suppose we add some data here. So I have copied some data and I will paste here. Okay, so now we can see here in beverages, the total sales has been increased and added some more items. Okay, same we can see here in burger, the sales is increased. In pizza, also the updated sales are showing. So this is the way that you can use images and you can use macros to create the dashboard. And this is going to update dynamically once you will add the data into your table. Okay. Now, if you're saving this file as a normal Excel file, so macros are not going to work on that. So you have to save micro enabled Excel file. So for that, you have to go into file, click on save. If we have not saved once, if we have already saved as an Excel file, then you can click on save as. So here I will click on save, click on browse, and I'm going to save on this folder, and the name would be sales report. And here save as type, you have to select Excel macro enabled workbook. Select this, click on save. So now if you reopen this file, then also macros will work. Okay. So if this video is informative for you, so you can like, you can share with your friend. And if you have not subscribed yet, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting Excel videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.